going on, guys? I am out here on Lake Tenkiller today. Super excited about this one. Anytime I get to come back here, it's always a great time. So really hoping I can catch some fish. Going to try and catch me a couple of smallmouth down here, and let's just see what happens. I'm gonna start with some top water. Just kind of, we'll make it happen today. The water temperature is a lot warmer than I thought. It's 55 degrees. Okay. Okay, I see. One good thing I like when the water's down, though, you can really see the contour of, like the banks and stuff. So I always keep a good mental note. Next time I know it rains and floods and gets back up in the bushes, I'll know, like, all right, man, we got all these rocks right underneath that. So with a little, oh gosh, clear umbrella rig shot. Let's go, baby. Look at that. Woo! There we go. Get in there. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Clear umbrella rig. Clear umbrella rig, baby. Nice little one to start the morning. Thanks, buddy. All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That's what I am talking about. That did not take long. Right at the boat. Heck yeah. Catch about 20 or 30 of those today. Shoot, I'll be happy. Like I said, this place, man, I love this lake. It's just so much fun. A lot of spotted bass, and that's what I love. One thing I really like doing too is anytime I'm up inside a marina or there's some dogs around, I'm always gonna fish around the docks pretty good. I really like tossing a jig up in there, so see if we can't catch us one off these docks. Come on, baby. Gosh dang it, there was a bite. I don't know if y'all saw that. It pulled down pretty good. Gosh dang it. There we go, baby. Oh, we hit it hard. Whoa, Nelly. Start recording. Woo! Stay on there. Stay on there. Giant. Get in here. Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh! God damn, that's what I'm talking about right there, baby. That is what I'm talking about. Woo! I'll have to get that out in a minute. Woo! Oh my gosh. Let's get a good old quick weight on this bad girl. All right. 3.45. Oh my gosh, that one was fun. All right, we're back in the old water. Woo. Start recording. Get out of whatever you're doing. Oh my gosh. Yes. Woo. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Got it done, John. That's what I'm talking about. Good old stick bait right there. Woo. Nice. All right, that'll do it. I'm gonna make my way back to the ramp and get loaded up and head home. Well, that does it, guys. Caught a couple good ones today. Never really got on a pattern or anything, but oh well, that's fishing. Had a lot of fun, and we'll see you at the next one.